Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City home window installation? You're in the right place. Understanding installation prices can seem overwhelming, but we're here to guide you. In the following minutes, we'll cover the common mistakes people make and the key questions to ask. Let's dive right in. Many people rush into home window installation without proper research. The first mistake is overlooking essential costs. Many think they can save by choosing the cheapest option, but this could lead to hidden costs later. Let's avoid this mishap by identifying the true value of quality installations. The second common mistake is not asking enough questions about the materials used. It's important to understand that quality materials mean better longevity and energy efficiency. So always inquire about windows materials before making a commitment. Home window installation in Salt Lake City is unique due to our diverse climate. Homeowners enjoy better energy efficiency in the long run. Did you know that well-installed windows can cut heating costs significantly? Let's explore how choosing the right type can benefit you. Let's delve into some frequently asked questions regarding home window installation. Many homeowners wonder about installation times and how to prepare their homes. Understanding what to expect can make the process smoother and more rewarding. Ready for your new windows? Call us now for a free no-obligation quote at 385-300-0903 or visit saltlakecityhomewindows.com.